Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Summer Waves 24-foot by 52-inch Elite Pool Set with Sand Filter Pump. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Waves Elite 24-foot frame pool. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with a sand filter pump, pool cover, ladder, ground cloth, EXP 10-pound bucket of pool care solution blend, and deluxe maintenance kit. Product benefits: ready for water in as little as 60 minutes. Handles up to 12,948 gallons of water. Constructed of triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material with a rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame that stands up to heavy use. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.